everyone, so today I am doing the Pretty Little Thing Advent Calendar. I'm unboxing the Pretty Little Thing Advent Calendar. Unfortunately, this is out of stock at the minute. This is the higher end one. This was £100, but I think I got it for £60 this time. But unfortunately at the minute it is actually sold out, which I'm absolutely gutted about, because I was hoping to get this up for you and showed you so you can see it at the sale price. But I will have them both in the description box below if they come back in stock, because sometimes they do. I'm not sure whether they will or not, but I thought I'd still unbox for you guys because I bought it to unbox for you. So really you may not be able to get this, well, you might most likely won't be able to get this, but I'll still upload it for those who just like to watch unboxing videos. Lighting is a bit odd. I've had to dig out my lights. I've got a light here because my bedroom just has the most, like, it only has like 2 plugs in my bedroom, which is so crazy. I live in quite an old house. But anyways, we're gonna have the Pretty Little Thing Advent Calendar. This is the higher end one. I have unboxed the more budget end one, but this was £60, which is what I ended up paying, what I paid for the budget one, which went down to £42. But this is the more luxe one. And anyways, I feel like they have very similar items in, but anyways, we're going to unbox it. But I think I paid £60, so for the price I paid, it works out at £2.50 a day. But our full price, which I think was £100, it works out £4.16 a day. So we're just going to say in anyways whether we think it's worth the money in anyways. So let's go. Day number 1. We've got the Peter Thomas Roth Instant Firm Eye Temporary Eye Tightener. So we have got this. I'm actually going to put this to one side for my friend. We want day number 2. I will say that Peter Thomas Roth product actually really works. I'm sure the last time I got it, I gave it to my mum because my mum gets puffy eyes, and literally it took a puffiness from my eyes away. So day number 2, we have got a Pixie product. This is the Pixie Tinted Lip Balm, and I'm assuming you probably could use this as a cheek tint and all. Hydrating tint with natural butters and oils that your lips will love. So it's just for lips by the looks of it, but I mean the size of it, you would think maybe like for a blush too. And that is it there. I really need to try more Pixie. I know a lot of people love Pixie. I've had a few things I love from Pixie, but I always think to myself I would love like to do a full face of Pixie and see how I feel. But that is day number 2. We went to day number 3, which is a big one here. If there is any last minute advent calendars you would like me to unbox, please let me know because I will try and get them. We have got the Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. Oh, this sounds nice, doesn't it? This sounds really nice. So that was 3. One day number 4, which is here. Oh, we have got the Pixie Glow Tonic. Absolutely love this. We've got a tiny one in our advent calendar recently, but this is 100ml size. This is a good size. This is a good one. So yeah, it's a glycolic acid toner. Really good. So it's day number 4. We want day number 5. Very light. We have got the Claw Manor Beauty Marshmallow Sponge, but it's like in a normal sponge shape. So that's really good, isn't it? My niece loves the marshmallow sponge, but this is obviously in a different shape to that one. It's in like the more of a beauty blender type shape. So that is day number 5. We want day number 6, which is here. Whoop. I've got the Transform High Impact Mild Tingling Volumizing Lip Oil. I love stuff like this. Sure, I own this already. Yeah, I do, from Plump It. Doesn't say if it's in a shade, so I'm assuming it's just clear. We got that. Day number 7, I totally forgot to unbox. This is the thing when you add open unboxing advent calendar. So day number 7 is the Beauty Works Restore Mask Intense Moisture. So this looks really good. I'm so excited about this product. So yeah, I did forget to unbox that, but I'm putting it in here. So second time this year. It happens, it happens. But yeah, there we go. Day number 8 is the Carmex Healthy Hydrating Lips All Day Classic Lip Balm in like the tin form. Yeah, it's a fab little day, handy little day, especially for this time, but I definitely don't think it's worth the per day. But yeah, alright little day. Day number 9 or 6, depending which way it's turned around, because my advent calendar fell all the way on top of me. So yeah, we've got this one here anyways, and this is the Rose and Caramel Purity XL 60-second tan remover. Yeah, so let's have a smell of this. Oh, it smells lovely. Really nice. Something different. I quite like that. So it's basically an exfoliator. You can use it to get rid of your tan, or you could probably just use it to exfoliate. But yeah, that was that day. Day number 10, which is down here. We have got the... This is one of the reasons I bought this, because I wanted this as a gift for someone. This is the Essential Lash Serum from Babe Lash. Now, I'm sure this is pricey. Like, I'm sure this is, like, quite pricey. I'm going to get it up. And this is why I really wanted this advent calendar. Just searching it now. This is normally £45 on its own for this size. They do different sizes, but for the 2ml it's normally £45. But at the minute it's on offer for Black Friday for £38. But that is such a good product. So yeah, I'm dead happy with that. So that was day number 10. We went to day number 11, which is up here. Ooh. We have gotten something from Iconic London, which is dead exciting. Everyone raves about Iconic London. A few things, and I've liked them a little bit. But oh my god, look at that. How stunning is that? Absolutely stunning. I think I've had one product that I absolutely loved from Iconic London. All the rest have been like, oh, it's alright. But I do want to try more from them as well, so I'm dead excited about that. I'm not really a highlighter person though. That was day number 11. We want day number 12, which is down here. We've got another Pixie product, so that's our third Pixie product. We have got the Pixie by Petra Clear Brow Gel. I'm sure we got that in the other one as well. That was day number 12. We want day number 13, which is up here. Whoop. We have got the Brushwork Skinny Satin Scrunchies. We're getting 2 in this. So it's alright. But for the price, especially if you paid full price for this, I would have been like, I want at least 4. But that's just me being a nitpick. That's 13. We want day number 14, which is up here. We have got the Oh My Lash Adhesive. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, I'm not the best at lashes, if I'm being honest. So yeah. But we definitely, I think, got that in the last one as well. That was 14. We want day number 15. I feel like we've had such good products. I'm only on like day 15. We have got the Bondi Sands Self Tan Tanning Foam in the shade Dark. This one my favourite false tan, so this will probably just sit in my drawer for the summer. Honestly, love Bondi Sands. Like, absolutely love Bondi Sands. So yeah, happy with that one. So that was day number 15. And day number 16, which is here. We have got a Project Lip product, and it is in Tingle. It's a plump and gloss, wherein this product will tingle. Let's have a look at this shade. I like a plump and lip gloss though. Oh, I was going to try, but I'm not so sure if I'm keen on this shade. It's just like clear goldy glitter. Yeah, I don't think that's for me. I've kept my lips bare and all to try the lip product, but up to now none have really tickled my fancy. So that's 16. We want day number 17, which is up here. Got a Doll's Smash Devotion blush stick in the shade Spice. Sure, we got this in the last one, but it might be in a different shade, I'm not sure. But that is it there. I honestly think that is so pretty. I just don't need any more cream brushes, and it doesn't excite me enough to want to keep it. Do you know what I mean? I give a lot of these items away in my advent calendar, and my advent calendars for my family and friends, so I'd rather keep things new just in case that is something that can go there. Right, we want day number 18, which is here. We have got something from So Cosmetics, and this is in Nauve Nude. It is a matte finish lipstick, and that is the shade there. So we've got that. We have got, right, we're on day number 19, which is up here. Let's have a look at this. We have got some false lashes, and they're quite bold. They're from that All My Lash brand as well. And that's 19. We want date number 20. Right here. We have got a tanning mitt. We have got a filter by Molly May Luxury Tanning Mitt. That's quite canny, isn't it? I know my niece likes this brand, so that will be a good one for my niece. That's 20. We went to number 21, which is down here. Oh, something skinny. We've got another Project lip product, and this is so we've got quite a few lip products. Plump and Fill in the shade Flirt. I actually own this product. It's so nice. So this is it here. A really nice product. That's 21. We're coming to an end. We want 22. Which is here. We have got another iconic London product. It's just a little baby one. It is the Illuminator. Let's have a look at you. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's like just the tiniest little baby. I feel like we could have had something other than a highlighter though, because we've already gotten a highlighter. That's just my preference. So 22, we're on 23. It is here. We've got the L'Oreal Lumi Glow Lotion. I love this product, like absolutely love this product. I use this so much. It's such a good product. I'm so happy this is in here. I know it's kind of a glowy type thing again. It's technically it'd be like a third highlighter in a sense, but I use this all over my face, under my makeup or something like that. I use the light. I use this shade. I love it. I think it's such a good product. If you haven't tried this, you definitely should try this. It's such a good product. I'm very happy with that day. 23. And I own that. I own it in a few shades. So that's 23. We're on 24. Our last day. See what we got. It doesn't feel exciting. Oh, we've got another Peter Thomas Roth product. It is the 24K Gold Mask Pure Luxury Lift and Firm Ultimate Luxurious Anti-Aging Treatment. Pure 24 Gold helps lift and firm the look of skin. Now I like the sound of this. I really like the sound of this. I love that it's gold and all. So we got that for our last day. And that is the more expensive Pretty Little Thing advent calendar. Like I say, I'm not sure whether you'll be able to get this now. Just such a shame in a sense, but I hope maybe they'll restock it. But if not, you've had the fun of watching it be unboxed, I suppose. But yeah, that is everything. I think it's good. I actually quite liked it for the £100, to be honest. Not as good as some £100 advent calendars, but I think it's always whether these items in these advent calendars are worth it to you, and whether you could have a £100 face cream, but if you're not going to use that £100 face cream, then it's actually not worth it, is it? Whereas if you're going to use the items that you get in the advent calendar, it's more worth it in my sense. Yeah, but I really like this advent calendar. Let me know what you guys think of this advent calendar, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like these type of videos, I would love to subscribe down below, and I will see you all in